Welcome to Learn with Techies channel. I'm your host, a FANG software developer with 10 plus years of experience. If you'd like to know more about me, I'll be posting that in the about links of this channel. So in this session, we will be talking about artificial intelligence. AI is future of software development. And with that in view, I created this series where I will cover all the aspects of artificial intelligence in details and with practical examples. And the best thing is, it's all from the beginner's perspective. This video will be part 1 of series of video focusing solely on AI learning for beginners. In this video, we will be cover the course intro, like who is this course for, course prerequisite, what will you be gaining from this course, what is AI, and how to get Azure subscription. This course will be following the AI 900 curriculum as per date 26th June 2023. So you can use this course to complete the AI 900 certification provided by Azure also. But of course that's an additional add-on if you want. Else the main focus of my course is making sure that as a beginner you understand what artificial intelligence is and how you can use it in your day-to-day programming for creating new projects. So let's talk about the course intro. So this course is for all the software developers or would-be software developers who are interested in AI and want to make a career out of it. This is also suitable for all the program managers and sales manager who wants to understand what AI is so that they can pitch it to their client or their product. This will also help the students or would-be graduates who want to learn about this so that they can create projects, and that could help them in getting internship and jobs after their graduation. And of course, this is always useful for all the tech enthusiasts who want to learn what is this AI and they can learn how to use this to create simple apps and API. Now, the second part that we want to focus is on prerequisites of this course. So since I have created this for beginners, so there are very limited prerequisites that you should be knowing. In fact, there are only two. First one is that you should know a basic coding. By basic coding, I mean like the simple codings that we do for loop, while loop, those kind of things. They are not exactly being used here, but it's better, it will give you more context while you're following this course. And the second requirement is that you should be able to use Microsoft Azure. Since for all the APIs and all the applications that I will be creating, I will be using Microsoft Azure. Since these AI and these machine models take large amount of resource which my local computer will take too much time to process. So in these cases, cloud computation powers are beneficial. Before you all get scared, you don't need to be an expert in cloud computation or Microsoft Azure, as most of it is a drag and drop functionality in Azure. I'll be also in this, as part of this series, I will be creating a basic intro to Microsoft Azure portal that will help you understand what it is and how we use it. And you can also get free Azure subscription up to $200 from the official websites. I'll be covering that, how to get those subscription in this video only. So keep tuned for same. Now let's talk about the real deal. What is the benefit of this course? You will get an understanding of how to use AI, where to use AI, and you will be an AI expert in your professional domain. Now the second is of course money. So if you are already an SWE or a manager or someone working in tech, it will improve your earning potentials as you can create your own applications and APIs, as well as you can also pitch it to your client and thus increasing the earning potentials. The third is, of course, you can get certified from Microsoft for Azure certification. Since this course is primarily running on AI 900 certification, so kind of like if you cover this course, then that will be covered parallelly. So now, before we move on to the fun stuff of what is AI and what is Azure subscription, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can keep getting the videos on these topics, and also do comment in the videos what are the topics that you want me to cover. So now let's talk about what is AI. Now as soon as we start to talk about AI being the future, you guys surely imagine some big robots or flying aircrafts or all the fiction that we see in the movie. But reality is way different. In fact, right now also you are interacting with AI. Like when Netflix recommend you a movie, or when you ask Alexa or Siri for weather, or your Tesla is in self-driving mode. All of these are some of the examples of AI where it makes our everyday life so easy. AI is built up of two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial is anything human made, while intelligence means the ability to understand, think, and learn. So artificial intelligence means creating a machine that feels like they have human intelligence. So how is AI different from the current machines that we use? So right now, while you program, you tell the computer the specific instructions you want to do. You tell them, I want to do A plus B, A minus B, and all of those coding instructions that we write. So here, machine is not thinking, it's just executing your commands. But with AI infused machine, it will be different. They will be able to think, understand, and learn just like a human. So, our next question could be, what makes our machine artificially intelligent? So, generalized learning, reasoning, and problem solving. These are the three things that makes any machine artificially intelligent. So our first topic is generalized learning. What is generalized learning? So assume you have a robot named RoboBuddy. It's a super intelligent robot. It can learn, reason, and solve problems just like a human brain. So suppose this RoboBuddy used to work in a coffee shop and she learned everything in there. Like she learned how to clean the tables, how to take the orders, how to make different cappuccinos and everything. And now she can use that same knowledge and she can start working in a noodle shop also. As like a human, we can use the knowledge learned at one place and make it generalized for the other place. In the same way, RoboBuddy can also use what it has learned in the tea shop and generalize it to be used in the noodle shop. So this is what is called generalized learning. Next up, we have reasoning. You know how you use your brain to think, make decision, and figure out solution to problems? RoboBuddy can do that too. It can think logically and make sense of the information it has learned. So for example, let's say RoboBuddy want to go to the park. It will use its reasoning ability to figure out best way to get there. Maybe by walking or taking a bus. It will consider factors like, should I take a bus or taxi? Which is cheaper? What is the distance? Which, depending on the distance, what is the best way to go? How much time it will take? What is the weather conditions? And then it will make the smartest decision. So this is the reasoning where it's taking all the information and try to think through it to get to this right solution. Now the third one is problem solving. You have probably encountered puzzle, riddles, or even challenging homework questions that require some serious brain power to solve. Well, RoboBuddy is a problem solving pro. It can tackle all sort of problems, big or small. So imagine you give RoboBuddy a puzzle with missing pieces. It will use its knowledge, reasoning skill, and previous experiences to put the puzzle together. It might even come up with some clever strategies to make the solving process faster and more efficient. In conclusion, RoboBuddy is artificially intelligent because it has these abilities to learn, reason, and solve any problem, just like humans. It can absorb information, think logically, and come up with creative solutions. Now, in the last section, I want to quickly cover how to get free credits for using Microsoft Azure. What is Azure? What is Azure AI-900 certification? So let's first talk about Microsoft Azure. So if you type to portals.azure.com, here you can see this start free. If you click on it, it will ask you to sign up with your Microsoft account. So it should be a Outlook account. You can go ahead and create one if you want using a new email address, like it should be an Outlook or live.com, or else if you have one, you can go ahead and sign it up with it. Once you sign up, you will get $200 free credit. If you go in here, you can see all the free service. After your credit also, you can keep getting free services for all of these. So you can sign up and get this free $200 free Azure credit, as well as you can keep using some of the services free for at least 12 months. Once you do all the sign up, you will be reaching into this Azure portal, which will look something like this. And this is what we will cover next: how to use this Azure OpenAI, what are cognitive services, and so forward. I also quickly want to cover this AI-900, what it is. So basically, AI-900 is the certification that you can take. This is given by Microsoft, and you can clear and you can prepare for this by following through my videos. So with that, we are at the end of this video. Please keep your likes and subscription coming up. And in next video, I'll be starting with different type of AI, what is machine learning, what are ML models, and how you can create your own models. Thank you, and I'll see you again in next session of What's New in Tech.